Dear viewers, are you frustrated by your inability to make positive changes stick, despite your best intentions? While changing habits seems simple in theory, we all know it's remarkably difficult in practice. But what if there was a scientifically proven method for building good habits and dissolving bad ones? In Atomic Habits, #1 New York Times bestseller with over 3 million copies sold, James Clear reveals strategies like making tiny changes to triggers and routines, not big resolutions that fail within weeks. Stacking positive habits so small wins build momentum for transformative results over months. Designing healthy habits via specificity, consistency, and timing, breaking large goals into small steps taken daily at the same time. Removing temptations and cues that subconsciously trigger unwanted behaviors, while adding triggers for good habits. Finding a habit that is truly satisfying so you never give it up, because it brings you joy with every repetition. Through insightful stories and practical science, Clear shows how good habits are formed in atoms, one small, seemingly insignificant step at a time, that collectively determine your destiny. So, if you're ready to develop high-impact daily rituals that transform who you are, then Atomic Habits offers a thoughtful yet proven blueprint for cultivating the habits of success. Here are 7 of my favorite quotes from the book Atomic Habits. Number 1. You do not rise to the level of your goals. You fall to the level of your systems. This highlights how important our systems and processes are for achieving goals. Number 2. Habits are the compound interest of self-improvement. Small, consistent actions lead to massive results over time without much effort. Number 3. You don't need willpower to form a habit. You need a system. It's about making the habits easy and automatic through effective systems. Number 4. Progress happens in small steps. We achieve big things through making incremental improvements each and every day. Number 5. What you pay attention to grows. Where you focus your energy and time each day determines your outcomes. Number 6. Habits are the intersection of knowledge, willingness, and ability. You need all 3 to successfully change behaviors. Number 7. Our environment designs our future. The context and situations we put ourselves in shape who we become over the long run. 5 key lessons of Atomic Habits. Number 1. Habits arise from environmental cues triggering rewarding behaviors automatically through classical conditioning. We can modify cues and rewards to shape habits. Number 2. While ambitious goals inspire, forming micro-habits of small, easily achievable daily successes builds momentum towards goals better than infrequent focus on end results. Number 3. Make desired new behaviors default actions by reducing friction, problems that interfere. Engineer choice by removing barriers to repeats. Number 4. Rituals like routines or checklists help cement practices, satisfying psychological needs for consistency and routine to maintain productive habits. Number 5. Using mantras, cultivate an identity aligned with goals so self-image drives habitual actions. Ideal identity leads behavior unconsciously through confirmation bias towards new normal. Go now with my blessings. And remember, the key to true prosperity lies within in uncovering the brilliance that's been inside you all along, just waiting to be unleashed through good habits. And so, dear viewers, as we reflect on James Clear's timeless wisdom on building good habits and dissolving bad ones, remember always. True success lies in becoming the person you wish to be, not in acquiring more of what you do not need. Change begins within, from small decisions made each day that form atomic shifts in thinking and behavior. The power to manifest your highest vision has been within you all along, waiting patiently to be unleashed through positive routines and rituals. May Clear's grounded yet humble lessons guide you to unlock the brilliance that lies within, through establishing habits aligned with your highest self. This has been What Books to Read. Until next time.